Biomedical advancement ahead. Introduction. This presentation will cover a brief detail on some advancement in technology in the field of biomedical engineering we can expect. Development of artificial organs. We can expect significant progress in the development of artificial organs as scientists have already created artificial hearts and lungs, but they are not yet fully functional. However, researchers are currently working on developing artificial organs that can be implanted into the human body and function just like natural organs. This technology has the potential to save millions of lives by providing a new source of organs for transplantation. Advancements in gene therapy. Gene therapy involves modifying a person's DNA to treat or prevent disease. This technology has the potential to cure genetic disorders such as cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Researchers are currently working on developing new gene editing tools that will allow us to modify genes more precisely and safely than ever before. Development in field of personalized medicine. We can expect significant progress in the field of personalized medicine. This technology involves tailoring medical treatment to an individual's specific genetic makeup. By analyzing a person's genes, doctors can determine which treatments will be most effective for that individual. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing more effective and targeted treatments for a wide range of disease. Advancement in wearables medical device. We can expect significant advances in the development of wearable medical devices as these devices will allow doctors to monitor patients in real time, providing valuable data on a person's health and helping to detect problems before they become severe. Wearable medical devices will also help patients to better manage chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. Conclusion. The field of biomedical engineering is rapidly advancing, and we can expect to see many exciting developments in the near future. These advancements will help to improve the health and well-being of people around the world and provide new solutions to some of the most pressing medical challenges of our time.